Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're going to be fixing a few issues in our character's mantle movement. We'll be making sure that the trace channels are set correctly, debugging any errors we come across, and adding in some much needed animations. Let's jump right into it. We will call the mantle check function when the jump button is pressed. We only want to call the mantle check function if we are walking, hanging, or on a ledge, and for trace settings, we are using ground trace settings. Here in Mantle Start update our movement state. Make sure trace channels are set to ledge. Debugging time. Did you guys spot the error with the timeline? If you did, comment it down below before going forward. Interchange the axis value variables. We put them in the wrong places in the past video. The problem here is that even if I am pressing the W or S key, it's moving left or right on the ledge, which we absolutely don't want. This is all because I am not familiar with UE5.1's new input system. If you're using UE5 or lower, you won't have this error. To fix this error, add a branch with the condition that if the axis value is equal to 0, then don't do anything. Now, to fix the timeline error, it's happening because we created the timeline variable separately in the past video and called that in the Mantle component, which we shouldn't have. And it worked out at the end. Now all we need to do is add animations to it. But before that, let's enable our controls when we've climbed up the ledge successfully. Now it's time for animations. For that, we will use ALS Mantle 2M and 1M animations. To get them, let's again open the ALS project and migrate the animations to our project. Make sure you've selected the same files as me.
Migrate the files to our project's content folder.
Now, to use these animations, first we have to change their skeleton from the ALS skeleton to the UE4 Mani skeleton, and then retarget those animations using UE4 to UE5 Mani retargeter, which Unreal provides by default with the TPS template. If you have a different folder structure, you can search for it in the content folder. Go to Chain Mapping, select the root bone, and make sure the FK translation mode is set to globally scaled. Otherwise, root motion will not work in retarget animations. I struggled a lot with it and eventually found this solution. Sadly, the solution for this was nowhere to be found at that time for me, but now you have it. We will create a new slot for our mantle animations. Make sure to change the slot of the mantle montages you use from base layer to full body. Okay, I suppose we are using the wrong animation curves. Let's fix it. As expected, I used the wrong position correction curves. I guess this problem won't happen to you, as I guess I had messed with the ALS project in the past. That's why this happened. I am not sure, whatever, let's fix it. Oh no, this silly thing just keeps happening. We have to clear the climbing state when we end the mantle. And that's it for today's tutorial. We were able to fix some of the major issues in our character's mantle movement, but we still have a few things to work on in the future. We'll continue to optimize the animations, the mid-air climb up, and the sliding issue. But for now, we've made some great progress. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.